Okay, Assalamu alaikum grade 5. So today we are starting with a new topic called fractions. Now, if you look at this circle here, this will be known as a whole. That means it is not split up into anything. If you look at the next circle, right, I have split this circle up into two parts. Can you see that? Here I've split it up into 4 parts. Here I've split it up into 5. And here is 8 parts. Now, fractions basically mean parts of a whole. Okay, so here we have a whole, and then we can split it up into parts. So here there's 2 parts. Now, from the 2 parts, I've shaded one of it. So if I want to write this as a fraction, I will first say, how many parts do I have? 2. How many of it is shaded? 1 out of the 2, so it's 1 over 2. If I want to see how many is not shaded, let's look at how many parts there are. 1, 2. How many is not shaded? 1 out of the 2 parts are not shaded. Here I have 4 parts. How many of it is shaded? 1 out of 4. How many are not shaded? 1, 2, 3 out of 4 is not shaded. Here's 5 parts. How many is shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is shaded out of the 5. How many is not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 out of the 5 is not shaded. Here I have 8 parts. How many is shaded? 1, 2 out of the 8 is shaded. How many is not shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 8 is not shaded. Now, when comparing fractions together to see which one is bigger or smaller, here's a question. 4 over 8 is greater than, less than, or equals to 3 over 4. You can draw this. You can draw a diagram the same size. You split it up into the first one 8 parts. You split the second one up into 4 parts. Make sure diagrams are the same size. You just have to split them up equally. So as you can see here, 4 out of 8, I've colored in 4 out of 8. Right? Here I've colored in 3 out of the 4. Now, if you look at this, it makes it much, if you do this diagram, it makes it much easier for you to compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller, or if they are equal. And as you can see here, the 3 out of 4 is actually bigger than the 4 out of 8. Okay, so there I put there 4 over 8 is less than 3 over 4. You can use either one of these to compare. You'll see it in your activity worksheet. Okay, I hope you're understanding. Assalamu alaikum.